Have you ever wondered why the same crop fails in one country but thrives in another? The answer lies beneath our feet, in the soil. Now, we often take soil for granted. We label it as dirt and overlook its significance. But in reality, soil is a fascinating mix of components that work together to support life on Earth. It's a cocktail of weathered rock, organic matter, water, air, and a bustling community of living organisms. Soil's physical characteristics, like its color, texture, and structure, along with its chemical properties, such as pH and nutrient profile, play a crucial role in determining what grows and what doesn't. These traits also dictate how well the soil drains water, its fertility, and its suitability for building structures or supporting ecosystems. Soil is not just a static backdrop to our world. It's a dynamic, vital system that fuels our planet and determines the success of our crops. So remember, soil is not just dirt. It's a complex system that fuels our planet and determines the success of our crops. Imagine standing in the middle of a lush, thriving grain field. What's the secret of this abundance? It's mollisols. Mollisols are the epitome of fertility, the creme de la creme of soils. Picture a deep, black soil, teeming with life and rich in organic matter. Found in the heartlands of the U.S. Midwest and the sweeping steppes of Ukraine, mollisols are a gardener's dream and a farmer's fortune. These soils boast a high base saturation, meaning they're packed with nutrients essential for plant growth. They're like a natural supermarket for crops, offering a smorgasbord of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. But mollisols aren't just about fertility, they're also about depth. Their profound depth allows roots to grow long and strong, reaching far down into the soil to tap into a wealth of nutrients. And the result? Bountiful harvests that feed nations. Indeed, mollisols are a testament to how the right soil type can turn a piece of land into a breadbasket. Now, let's travel to the arid landscapes of the Sahara and Australia's outback, where we encounter aridosols. These soils are a testament to survival, thriving in conditions that most of us would find inhospitable. Aridosols are typically pale and dry, a stark contrast to the deep, dark mollisols we just explored. They are low in organic matter, a direct result of the dry climate that limits the growth of plants and thus the accumulation of decaying plant material. Farming on aridosols presents a unique set of challenges, primarily due to their lack of moisture and organic content. However, where there's a will, there's a way. Certain hardy plants and organisms have adapted to these tough conditions, evolving to absorb what little moisture is available and to endure the blistering heat. These adaptations allow them to not just survive, but thrive in these seemingly barren landscapes. Even in the harshest conditions, life finds a way to adapt. Aerosols are proof of that. Now, let's fly to Brazil's Amazon to see oxysols and trek to India's Deccan Plateau for vertisols. Starting off in the verdant heart of the Amazon, we find ourselves surrounded by oxysols. These soils are a vibrant red, a result of the iron and aluminum oxides they contain. They are highly weathered, having been subjected to millennia of tropical rain, which has leached away many nutrients. Their texture is fine and their structure crumbly. They are acidic, sometimes extremely so, which can limit the variety of plants that can grow here. Despite these challenges, the Amazon rainforest thrives, its diverse array of species having adapted to the soil's unique characteristics. In contrast, over in India's Deccan Plateau, we encounter vertisols. These are the dark, cracking black cotton soils that are so called due to their high fertility and suitability for cotton cultivation. Vertisols are unique in that they swell and shrink with the seasons. During the dry season, they crack open, creating deep fissures, but in the wet season, they swell and close up. This movement can be a challenge for buildings and roads, but it's a boon for agriculture. The cracking allows for deep root growth and the incorporation of organic matter into the soil, while the swelling helps retain water. Both oxysols and vertisols have shaped human activity in their respective regions. In the Amazon, the acidic oxysols have led to the development of unique agricultural practices, like the creation of terra preta, or dark earth, enriched with charcoal and organic matter to enhance fertility. In India, the swelling and shrinking of vertisols have influenced the choice of crops, with hardy varieties like millet and cotton being favored, and have also impacted construction practices to accommodate the moving earth. From the red oxysols of the Amazon to India's black vertisols, soil is as diverse as the life it supports. So, what have we learned about soil? We've journeyed through fertile mollisols, the life-giving soils of the US Midwest and Ukraine's steppes. We've braved the austere aridosols of the Sahara and Australia's outback. We've marveled at Brazil's Amazonian oxisols, vibrant and acidic. And we've felt the seasonal shifts of India's Deccan Plateau's vertisols, swelling and shrinking with the rhythms of the earth. Each of these soils has its unique personality, shaped by the dance between geology and climate. The rock's composition, the weather patterns, the organisms that call it home, they all come together to create a soil's distinct color, texture, and nutrient profile. These factors aren't just academic curiosities. They dictate what crops grow, how ecosystems flourish, and even where we can build our homes. Soil is more than just dirt. It's a fascinating, diverse, and vital part of our planet, and it's time we gave it the recognition it deserves.